Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. And now coming in the park as usual, I discuss about how to crack interview. So, um, of the one of the reason that need to be that need English speaking for a interview. So interview. So I am trying to next upcoming videos tomorrow and after. So I practice interview questions, which type of question asked in an interview and how to give answer and influency that give me a proper roadmap. So give me a feedback to where I need to be improve my fluency and words, because when you have a skill and you have a knowledge but you can't crack uh, English speaking when you are giving an interview, because English is a is a anything anywhere when you like you trying to you are applying for a higher post or like for senior level and everything, anywhere you need to be a good English speaker. So you have to be a good English speaker. So that's why I practice English speaking, interview questions and answers in English from tomorrow. So that one task for me, and how to do I will try to give tomorrow, how I am practice and which type of questions I am asking from myself to give answer, and these things. And one more thing, like for today, for if you are you want I am trying to search my best value, because I am nothing when you switch company, any of company, so you not earning more, like you are 35k earner and switch to be a 45. So here is not a earner 10k you are earning, because you spend like for a distance or for a expanding more in rent, food, anything. So you're not earning more, but you give your value to earn. Your value is 40k in the market, you deserve. So that show your market value. So I think when you get more salary, so you can you first the first aim is to be reach your highest package. After that you upgrade yourself. You have a lots of knowledge when you are top, how to top level employee player work and manage their life and time routine. You can lots of your mindset to be a top level. So that's why I am switching more and more job after 6 months, 3 months, because this is my starting phase. When you are a particular phase like 4 year 5 year in the market, so you can stable 3 year 4 year, at least 2 year. You can't um, stop yourself in one company. I think this is my point of view and my experience. So that's one thing. So that's why I'm still finding new job that give my best value, and I find my best value and upgrade myself, and that skill that need other company that help me to improve myself. So I can definitely do that. So this kind of things in doing thinking in my mind. So lots of documents I ready, because when you come doing job like any company, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. So documentation problem can be created like offer letter, experience letter. There might be something you cannot get. So company not give you a proper documentation, or you can't. So you have in 26th generation, if something creative knowledge you have to be, you had a you have you need have. So because you prepare some type of offer letters and something, I can't express this, but you have a knowledge to how to make behalf of that company that you're doing. You have a knowledge that company is what working you are doing in that company, but you only stuck for documentation like offer letter, experience letter, other documents. So you can prepare for yourself. Doesn't matter. So that one thing I'm working on that. That's it guys, and for today, and meet tomorrow.